Look at that. Come on, focus. There we go. Look at them different colors.
I'm in the trap every day. What? Stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now. I told her to lay my hook in the water. She liking my babe. Ain't saving a hoe. I don't wear a cave. You beef with me, don't think you ever safe. I hop in the foreign and dry like a race. We sipping the Henny, I don't need a chase. We dodging the feds, ain't catching no case. I stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now. I told her to lay.
Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, man. We're going up. Alright, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TJ. I'm back again with a brand new video for you guys, man. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and also turn on post notification. And also you like this video so my ranking on these videos can go up. Other than that, man, I'm going to install some interior lighting for the car. It's going to brighten it up much better. So with this package, you have 49 different colors you can change to. You can set it in different modes, so we're going to get right into the install. First, I'm going to do a cold start, move this car over some so I can have some room. And we're gonna start the process. Also, I got it from AutoZone. All right, so with this, it got 4 different strips for the LED lights. Comes with a 12V plug-in. You also can split it up and do it into a positive negative when you hook it up. Well, hold on. And you also will have access to your app where you can control the lights. This also comes nicely packaged. So first I'm gonna start off with the 12V. I'm gonna hook it up to this box right here at the end, and then you gotta have 4 spaces right here so you can plug the LED strips in. Then I'm gonna test it, plug it up, test it, and make sure it works properly. Alright, so I tried out 2 right now. They're glowing up. You can change them different colors. They all don't have to be the same. So you look at these arrows right here, and then there's your arrows right here. Make sure it's on the left side. If it's on the right side, it's not gonna be right. It's basically like positive and negative. And same with these lights. The arrows right there. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm sorry. The light's on. Let me see if I can cut it off. All right. An arrow right there. Focus, focus, focus. I don't want to focus. Anyways, but there's an arrow right here and there's an arrow right there facing each other, so that's how you know that it's correct. Press the button, lights cut back on. Now I got 2 more to hook up. So when you install these LED strips with the 3M tape, you want to make sure you have a place where it can actually hold up. So I found a place. Let me see if y'all can see it. Get a light and place it right up in here. That's gonna be a good spot to place it. Let's try it and see if it works. And it works. Yes, sir. So all I gotta do is tuck the wires in so it can be professionally hidden. Alright y'all, so I finished installing the lights. Here's the front, passenger side, driver side. You can dim the lights. Hold on, copyright. Alright. Oh, I ain't got that one plugged up right. I'm gonna fix this one. So like I was saying, I got the back, left and right side installed. It's all controlled by an app. Turn this down some. See the different colors you can do? Let's see, I'm gonna change one side. Let me change the front. I'm gonna go green. See how I changed it? And this can still be red. Turn that back red. Red. All right, so you have glow, you got blink, and you got this. See how it's blinking? You can control the speed. You got fade, you got music, where it changes by the music sound, vibration or whatever. You got a cycle, you got a prism, and you got a random. I keep mine on glow, and I also keep it on red. But it's a very easy to install. There are the lights right there. Let me get the package again. I got it from AutoZone. Very, very reasonable price. To me it is, at least. Go to Amazon, if not Amazon, but you go to AutoZone if you want to find this. Or you can probably find it on eBay or Amazon. I'm not sure, but I found this at AutoZone. All controlled by your phone. Y'all can pause it if y'all want to read that. More information on it. And basically, the control box, I've got mine sitting right here. I might reroute it somewhere else. I got all my wires tucked, pretty much. Same from over here. Yeah, this is a little quick video on my light. I'm gonna turn back on the camera as soon as it get dark so I can get better quality of the lighting. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. All right, so here's the app. Once again, confirm. This app is called Type S. You type in Smart Hub, well, click Smart Hub. You have the different functions right here. As you can see, I have it on prism, so it just changes colors slowly. It got 49 different modes on here. I can do blink, where they blink like that. Look at that, that's nice. Let's try strobe. Look at that. Nah, I don't want mine on that. What you think? That's weird, huh? Strobe.
That's gonna have my eyes going like, what the fuck? Like, what the?
All right, so I'm gonna click fade. Watch this. It brightens up and then it dims.
Oh, I like that.
Brightens up, then it dims. I can't do music because I don't have music on and I don't want copyright playing. I got prism. I already went to prism. I got the cycle. Changes like that, real cool. Yeah, cycle goes fast pretty much, but you can control the speed down here. Let it focus. Speed down there, and then you got the brightness. I got it on full bright. Glow, of course that. I keep mine on red. Let's go to orange. Change the different colors, whatever color. I can do the crystal white.
Ooh, that look clean.
Crystal white, but I ride with red since my car is red on the outside. Confirm. Blink. I like mine on prism where it just rotates the different colors. And I like how it shows the car right here. I wish I could do music. I do not want copyright on this video. But this is what it looked like. Let me show to you guys the back. Then I will be done with this video. Got a nice view in the background. Let's see. Got it in the back too. Look at that. Yes, sir. Open both doors. Let's see. Come on now, door. Stay open. Look at that. Come on, focus. There we go. Look at them different colors. Alright, y'all, so let me get the box. Hold on. I know y'all can't see me, it's dark, man. I'm sorry about that. Now y'all can see me now. If y'all do want these right here, I did get it at AutoZone once again. For the ones that missed out, I got it at AutoZone. So go to AutoZone if you want this, or you can probably order it on Amazon or eBay. But this product right here, I like it. It's only controlled by your phone. You can probably get a remote, I don't know, but also for these lights, you can get it hot wired to your car, or you can just use the button. I prefer the button for right now. It doesn't really matter to me, but I'm about to wrap up this video right here. Once again, there are the lights on all 4. Let's get some light in here. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, share. But if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel, man. So like, share, comment, subscribe for more. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, like I always say.